Hello everyone, welcome today. On a Tuesday, it's Tuesday, January the 10th, 2023. We have only one regular puzzle, and it's a medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and one binary. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. Otherwise, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, what's the news of today? Well, told you several days ago, the first wave in China. Well, traveling to China, when you go to China, travelers from or to China need a test here, a PCR test. So that's new, a long time ago. A negative test. Traveling to or from China. That's the news of today. Well, so you can travel to there. 3 years they are in lockdown, yeah. Zero COVID policy, but you can travel anyway. I've told you, second wave will be there after the Chinese New Year. So I don't think it's wise to travel because all the hospitals, it's crowded there. So when you get sick and you need to go to the hospital, well, there's no room there. Alright, let's get started with this one. 5766. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. The medium Sudoku, I've noticed, has always 26 printed digits. If we compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit, and it's already 3 minutes past. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see. The one in this row, the one in that row, so the row between, the middle row, the only place left for the one should be there. Then, let me see. 2. And we have 1, 2, 6. 9 and 6, 9 and 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing number in the middle row is number 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in the middle row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Then 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 5 and 8, okay. Alright. We have a pair, 2 and a 4 in this column, 2 and a 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this column, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5, okay. 5, 5, 5, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here, 5 in the second row, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the first column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the last row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the middle column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 5. Let me see the 8 in the last column. The 8 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. Well, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the second row, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8. Cannot continue with 8 now. How about this box in the third row? 1 box left in the third row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. The 9 is missing. 9 in the third row. 9 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9. Here should be the 9. Okay. Cannot continue with the 9. 5, okay. Then 3, 6. Well. How about 1. Thinking. 1, 6, 7. Yeah. Come on. This is taking too long. Seven. Need a 7 there. Well. Where's the opening? The opening. 3. 3. Well, 8, 1. Here, 3 missing numbers. Wait. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We share 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We share 1 in the third column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in the second row. No 1 there, 1 should be there. And the Once I used, I can see. Digit number one. Then. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 3 and 8. 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. And 8 in this column. The 8 in the middle column. So the column next down. Need 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last row. 8 in a row above. So in that row don't need 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. Then. How about the 3 now? No, 3 still cannot. Continue. 3. Well. 6. About here, 6 and a 7. 6 and a 7. No. Well. 2. Yeah. 4. 5. Come on. 1, 5, 8. Yeah. 9. 9. Come on. 7. What's happening? 1 and a 3, 8, 5. Missing the 2 and the 4. 6 should be here. 2 should be there. Need a 4. I need a 7. Ay. 9. We have a 9 here. Yeah. Let me see. I'm thinking. Come on. 3. 3, 8, 9. Yeah. 5. Let me put some numbers because it's taking too long. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. Right. 6 and a 7. 2 and a 4. 2. Well. Oh, 1 box left in this column. Oh, yeah. Overlooked. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column next on last column. Now only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the last row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. Overlooked those 2 boxes. Okay. And now. 6, 6. 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Then yeah. 3 and 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. On that, 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in the last row, 4 in that row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the first row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 1 box left in the second row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this row. Last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in the second column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars puzzle. And it's a medium Sudoku. So, correct indication. And I like this one. I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on in the afternoon or in the evening. I think in the evening for the other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.